So I wanted to make a video of the lower part of the property. There's the bus. There's a willow tree. It struggled last week. It's been doing really good. It's on its second year, but this last week we showed up and it dried up. So I don't know if there was something wrong with the watering, but hopefully we'll get it back. It's definitely under stress. It's not, hopefully not, you know, just gonna die, but we'll see. Some of them do. There's our pear tree, and then here's our watering line. That's Yuric. He's a good boy. So we come through the oak brush, and there's a peach tree, and we got an apple tree here. Our pit bull just died this last summer, and she is buried right there. Sweet baby girl. So we keep coming. We got some little group of Chinese elms. Planted these from seed right here last spring. They seem to be doing pretty good. We got a wisteria vine, well, 2 of them. They're supposed to grow up. We're hoping they'll take over these trees before they fall over. Support them and have a little arch. It'd be kind of cool, but that's a long ways down the road. Anyway, we come across the road here. We got one more apple tree there, and then we've got one up here too. I'll give you one more shot of the property from this angle. So it's coming along pretty good. It's been a lot of work. That Chinese elm in the middle of the screen was planted right after the fire. It's doing really good. It's about 10 feet tall. It's awesome. It's going to be giving us shade in the next year or two. Another apple tree right there in front of the oak brush. We got this one. And we got another Chinese elm growing in this guy. So what we did here was we're trying to make a little bit of a greenhouse effect, and it has worked. These trees are growing twice as fast as they were, which is awesome. So the Chinese elms come down. And that one's doing pretty good. You can see it just about to pop out the top there. And then this group of Chinese elms is probably my favorite because there's just so many of them. They just grew. It was just, I did seeds like I did a lot of other ones, and so that one I showed you up there with 5 was seeds, and this one was seeds, and they're the only ones with seeds that I started from seeds that made it. So there's probably 50 of them in there. So then we got sunflower that just grew. And this one we planted, what, a month ago? And it has doubled in size. So that's exciting. It's doing really good. This one was planted at the same time. It has also doubled in size. I really think these little clear plastic funnel tube things are really, they just keep the moisture in, I guess. I mean, that's what they seem to do. It seems to be working anyway. So we're only here once a week. It's all dry by the time we get back, so I never really get to see it in action. And this is our lowest plant. It's wisteria. It should grow up this tree, and that'll be pretty cool. And then that's the end of our water line there. At the end I just stick a ball valve and close it. Pretty simple stuff. So it just all runs downhill. So, oh yeah, and there's my wife's tire wall she's been working on this summer. It's kind of cool. So I figured, what else do you do with tires? Make a wall. So I've also taken the little tractor. I put berms up below all the oak brush that I could, trying to just, you know, catch all the water we can. Anyway, that's it. That's all the lower trees. There's a view of the property from down here, and catch you next time.